I think what scares me of not only DIY biology, but biology in general, is to not be transparent about it, and not to do it secretly for not good reasons. You know, I think either DIY biology and biology, that has to be transparent, and even if it's activist, or it has a political discourse. Like me, I'm talking about like an artist, as an artist, that I often have ecology or feminist or ecofeminist approach. Um, I think it's for, at the end, it's for a common good, and what scares me is that biology, or DIY biology, is done in a hermetic space, in the very private laboratories, very powerful, where there is no transparency and not control from neither the citizens or uh, the community around. That's my answer. But there is no, right now there is no DIY biology project that really scares me. I think what scares me is what can we do with massive amount of data that we can take from mass genetic experiments, like for example the PCRs that we are doing right now because of the pandemics, or all the data that you can collect from the people without telling them what is the purpose behind it. Um, and of course, yeah, the topic of designing babies without control and all this kind of stuff is something that scares me a little bit. But I'm confident that if we are all transparent enough and we have the tools to regulate, but also to trust that the people that want to learn, they are not thinking about doing harm by default, but to really learn and to foster curiosity. And I think an educated community in society is always a better community.